Hey guys, it's your girl Taya back here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing part 3 of my series. This is going to be the deep conditioning portion. I'm so excited. This is my favorite part of the wash day. I just love this step. So I'm super excited to jump into it. If you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff that I tell you guys to do at the beginning of each and every video. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you check out shampooing and conditioning and then come back and watch this one. Those videos also have some really important tips. Enough of that. If you have already watched those videos and you're ready for me to get into the deep conditioning portion, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay. All right, guys. So deep conditioner. Who needs to deep condition? For me personally, I feel like everybody should be deep conditioning. If I had to choose, I would skip the conditioning process altogether and I would go straight into the deep conditioning. So who should be deep conditioning? I would say everybody should be deep conditioning. To me, this is one of the most important steps. I would say everybody should be deep conditioning. The two types of deep conditioners that I mostly focus on, or that I know, are the moisturizing deep conditioners, and then you also have your protein deep conditioners. They have different ones that like repair, restore, hydrate, moisturize, but they pretty much all do the same thing. They replenish what you have lost in the shampoo process. So when should you be deep conditioning? Each and every single time you shampoo your hair. Yes, I said it. No, it's not Bible, but I said it. Each and every single time you shampoo your hair, you should definitely deep condition your hair. I think that, I mean, honestly, if you think about it, if you strip your hair, or even if you are using a moisturizing shampoo, you're going to need to put back that replenisher. You're going to need to replenish your hair. You're going to need to add back all the things that you lost. So I would say when you should deep condition, each time you shampoo. Even if you're not shampooing with a shampoo, you're using a co-wash, you can go ahead and co-wash your hair and then go ahead and deep condition your hair. Every single wash day, sometimes twice a week, you can fit in an extra deep conditioning if you really need to. But I honestly, guys, I know I'm joking. I know I'm saying this a lot, but seriously, all jokes aside, you guys, if you are suffering from dry hair, if you are like, you just don't feel like your hair game is doing what you know it could do, if you feel like your hair isn't up to par, then I would definitely highly recommend that you get some deep conditioner in your stash. I would get some deep conditioners in your rotation. Take the regular conditioners out, replace it with some good deep conditioner, and let me know and thank me later. Thank me later, guys. I'm telling you, deep conditioning changed my hair game. Like, that's like a whole nother story. We're not gonna get into that right now, but when I say it changed my hair game, it definitely changed my hair game. You guys have noticed I get so many compliments about how my hair looks. It's not dry. My coils are tight. My curls, my coils, whatever you want to call them, they're super tight, but at the same time, they never look dry. I have color in my hair and I never experience the dry looking hair, the dryness, because of the deep conditioner. I swear by it, you guys. So another thing I wanted to say was, if you look at it logically, honestly, guys, like, how much does conditioner cost? You can get a conditioner at the store for $1. If you get that VO5 stuff, I know they sell the set, $1 for the shampoo, $1 for the conditioner. But if you think about how much deep conditioners cost, they usually range anywhere from $5 and up. You have your Neutrogena, which is a $5 deep conditioner, and then you have your high-end deep conditioners, which go all the way up to probably $100. I don't know. I think the highest one I've seen is like 55 or around 50 bucks, and that's the Moroccan. But that's your high end, probably going to be more your salon quality. But again, if you're thinking about the price point, the reason why deep conditioners are usually more expensive is because they make a huge difference. They are necessary. If you think about it just in terms of monetary, why does a conditioner only cost $3 like your Aussie Moist versus a deep conditioner like a Shea Moisture deep conditioner that's like $13, $14, $15? They're both drugstore, but $3 and $15. There's a reason that there is a difference in the price point, because deep conditioners change the hair game. Trust me when I tell you. If you look at it logically, you could see that, yeah, that's true, Ty. Like, you can find deep conditioners, you can find conditioners for like $1 or $2 or $3, but deep conditioners usually cost more, and that's because they add so much value to your hair. Where should you be conditioning? In your home, at the salon. If you're going to get any type of treatment, if you're going to do any type of protective style, definitely you want to be deep conditioning. And then how? So the way I like to do my deep conditioning is I usually focus on the ends. You guys, the ends are the oldest part of your hair, so you want to make sure that you focus on your ends, you guys. Baby, those ends, I'm telling you, they are the oldest part of your hair, and you want to make sure that you focus in on those ends. So I like to start from the ends of my hair, and I pretty much just work the deep conditioner up to the roots of my hair. Now, if you guys are suffering from puffy roots or whatever the case is, girl, slap that thing on there, act like it's perm, and slap it on them roots, okay? You need to add deep conditioner all over your hair. Wherever you find that your hair needs hydration, moisture, it needs to be replenished, add the deep conditioner to those parts. There's no such rule that says you can't add deep conditioner to all over your hair. Now, I would not suggest getting it in your scalp, because it's not for your scalp. It's for your mane, it's for your tresses. But other than that, I start from the bottom, I work my way up, and I add the deep conditioner all over. I hit my edges, I hit the nape of my neck. I don't play by my deep condition. And then, of course, once you're done applying deep conditioner, you can sit under the dryer. You have a couple different ways you can do this. You can either steam with the steamer, sit under the dryer with the steamer. You can leave your hair open, let the steam hit it. You can do it that way for about a good 15-20 minutes. You should be straight. I use the hooded dryer method. I sit under there for about 15 to 20 minutes, because after about 15 minutes, the deep conditioner isn't really working. It does its job within the first few minutes of it being on your head. So I usually typically stay around 15 to 20 minutes under the dryer, and that's it. I walk around, do whatever, rinse it out. I can even sit with it overnight. However you want to do it, you can do that. And if you just want to put on a plastic bag, a heated cap, a hat, you can do that method as well. So there are a couple different methods that you can, or a couple different ways that you can use how to use your deep conditioner. Let me go ahead and run through these quickly, because I have a bunch of videos dedicated to deep conditioners. So make sure you guys check that out, and I'll go ahead and leave a couple links below as well to some to my deep conditioners that you can check out. But these are just a few that I've been using lately, and I want to go ahead and recommend to you guys. So this is the Thank God It's Natural tgin Honey Miracle Mask, Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I love this stuff. This is going to be more like your higher end. This is around $18. Definitely check Sally's out. They be having them sales. The next one is going to be Miche. This is their moisturizing deep conditioner. This is their Indulge moisturizing deep conditioner. I love this. It smells like cotton candy, you guys. Like, I love this deep conditioner. And this is the 9 ounces, but I've used this at least 2 or 3 times already, you guys. So don't sleep on the little 9 ounces. You definitely could get a couple uses. I've already used this about 3 times, and I still have probably 1, maybe 2 more times to go. And this is the Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. This is great for protein and moisture. It definitely is a replenisher. So if you are looking for something with some protein, definitely check this one out. I know Shea Moisture has one as well, but this one is by far one of my favorite deep conditioners. So if you haven't checked out the Miche, check this one out. This is the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey. You guys know I love this stuff. I rave about this stuff so much. This is probably by far, hands down, one of my favorite deep conditioners. I always recommend this to newbies, to beginners, because I feel like it's a great deep conditioner for the price point. They're around, I want to say 13 bucks, but again, you get so much out of it. It is 12 ounces, but you can use this 5 or 6 times. So if you divide 5, 6 by 12 ounces, you guys do the math. It's pretty worth it. So I would suggest, like I said, for newbies, for beginners just starting off deep conditioning, definitely check out the Shea Moistures. They have great deep conditioners. The jbco one is amazing. I love that deep conditioner. And my latest, newest baby that I've added, you guys, is the amika. I don't know if you say it amika or amika. This is their triple mask. Now I believe they have discontinued this particular packaging, and it's now called Cure. So if you check Sephora's website, or if you check the amika website and you don't see this orange packaging, that's just because I believe they discontinued the packaging. And this is their triple RX mask. It's made with sea buckthorn berry. I love it. It is a very thick consistency, you guys, and I mean, when I say it is thick, I've already used this deep conditioner like twice, you guys, and it is a lot. They give you a lot. This is 16.9 fluid ounces. It is a little pricey, so this is going to be your higher end deep conditioner, but it's worth it. Work your way up. When you're starting off, again, start off at the lower price point, work your way up to some high ends, figure out what your hair likes, and then go from there. But don't skip deep conditioning. They have really affordable ones. They even have $4 deep conditioners. Trader Joe has one. Like I said, I'll probably go ahead and link some of my deep conditioner videos. I really want you Huns to learn something. That is the point of me doing these videos. That's the point of me taking my time breaking it down, because I really want you Huns to learn something from these videos. So I hope you Huns enjoyed this video. You know what to do. Stay blessed, and I'll talk to you Huns in the next video.